Tokire certificate gochia ABABWATANI BAYE hao bagendete Koearigania Bosio Bw'Obochori ebirogo ao hasa Obochori Oboke bukagire KOENEKIA mutunyo komina rimo omwaka oyega bakoragwa muno mokonyi bo murai bw'ikiamekyo oyibo igoro mugavana bwe county ya Bungoma Ken Lusaka niko bano basabire bonsi bari banyorere ticket echo KOENEKIA bunamba chikuraria homorembe na siasa chitari chokorenta okobagekana segati ya bananchi.
You are the ones for the Kenya has been waiting for. You are the face of renewal. You are the messengers of hope. You are custodians of our victory. So let us go out there, not divided, but united. Not timid, but bold. Not for ourselves, but for the people. Let us win, not just elections, but the trust of our citizens. And when history looks back at this day, let it be said that here at the Ford Kenya headquarters, leaders were not just given certificates, they were given a mission.
This is a party, and as our stand, we are set. We have candidates who are going to take the party to the next level. I know they'll be elected because